Ever wondered why we yawn? It's not just when you're tired or bored. Yawning is a fascinating biological phenomenon. It's believed to be a mechanism that helps regulate our brain temperature. When your brain gets too hot, a yawn can help cool it down. Yawning also increases heart rate, blood flow, and uses muscles that surround our eyes. This could help wake us up when we're feeling drowsy. Even more intriguing, yawning is contagious. When you see someone yawn, your brain triggers a response, and you yawn too. It's a social cue, a form of empathy, if you will. So next time you yawn, remember, you're not just bored, you're keeping your brain cool and showing a little empathy too. Voiceover ends. The video fades out. The YouTube short repeats.